presenting a medical-based military helicopter, and my support engineer was Akshay sir. And the objectives mainly for this medical helicopter is designing medical military helicopter. And the helicopter, if we see the helicopter generally, this helicopter has a more space for the crucial casualty evacuation. And and this helicopter has a, more space compared to other helicopter. And the spacing of the patients are arranged neatly in the crucial area. And the helicopter is also used for the transportation of food, medicines for the patients who are in casualty or emergency purpose. And I have designed interior and exterior rendering by photo rendering 360. Um, and here comes the procedure. What have concluded in this project? I have taken the blueprints and I have created the sketches. After sketching, I have created the sketches in the line manner, and I have converted the line sketches to a surface sketches. And I have taken the surface sketches and I have converted into solid, and have taken a sub assembly parts to assembly level with the help of using a constraints. And I have a rendering. My projects have concluded some these many steps. um, and I will go for the further steps. This is the first step what I have selected. While taking the selection of the project, I have taken the blueprints of a helicopter of required helicopter of different views: mid plane, top plane, front plane, and the inverse of the mid plane. And the isometric view, where which mode I have taken the helicopter in the ship: front, backward, top, bottom, and the mid plane, mid view. Here comes the second step. While creating the second step, I have selected the base view of the mid plane and the bottom view as a reference. I have created some curves, and I have converted those curves into projected curve and the composite curve. And after creating the curve, I have taken next step as creating the surfaces with multiple surfaces, like creating the surfaces with filled surface, or I have taken uh, some trim surface and other surfaces also, using some other boolean operation also I have used for this one. After conversion of surfaces, and I have just taken a next step for converting of surface to solid. Here, after converted to surface to solid, I had faced many problems while kneading the surface. Example, while kneading the surface would be in blue color or blue line. I got many hurdles between that. I have clarified in the sessions which I have presently gone through, and I have used a check check option and the correction. I have made some corrections and I have used smaller, I mean, rails and the smaller parts like we, I mean, lightings, and I have used rendering for that one also. And these are the next step. After creating the main body of the helicopter, I've used many sub parts like um, subparts like helicopter main blades, side blades, its wheels, and its central wheel. Um, using using some same Boolean operation which I have used for previous body surface, using a blueprint as a reference, and have used assembly level option. I have used assembly level. Have shown the mates which I have used here. Some of the mates, and the sub parts which I have used for the helicopter, and some have used only two mates because it has a 6 degree of freedom, where I have used only 2 degree, because if it is 2 degree of freedom, I can show the model in rotate. I mean, in free manner, where it moves and everything. After this, I have rendered using a photo rendering 360. I have used colors for that one. I have used a lighting effect also, and I have used a scenes background for rendering the helicopter. The reference which I have used is a reference for blueprint, and a picture I have used for referring design. Thank you.